If you're looking at the TCL NxtPaper 11 Gen 2 because it's cheap, slow down for a second. In today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the NxtPaper 11 Gen 2. We're talking display, performance, battery life, speakers, cameras, the stylus, and the one limitation that might change your mind. So let's walk through what's good, what's not, and where this tablet actually makes sense. The first thing that surprised me is the build. For around 250 bucks, it feels way better than you'd expect. You get a glass front, an aluminum frame, and an aluminum back. It's thin at 7.3 millimeters, weighs about 500 grams, and even has IP54 protection. So yeah, it can handle dust and a few splashes of water without freaking out. Just remember, there's no SIM slot here. This is Wi-Fi only. But on the positive side, it does support a stylus, which is great for students or anyone who takes notes. Now, the display is what TCL is always proud of. This tablet uses their NxtPaper approach to make the display easier on your eyes. It's a 10.95-inch IPS panel with a soft, almost paper-like look that cuts glare way better than most budget tablets. It's 1200 by 1920, so it's not the sharpest thing in the world, but for watching shows, reading, or light work, it's perfectly fine. It hits around 500 nits, so it's okay indoors and decent in bright rooms. Don't expect amazing outdoor brightness though. Performance is where you really need to know what you're getting. It runs on the Helio G80. This is not a fast chip in 2025. It's okay for YouTube, Netflix, emails, reading, note-taking, or just casual scrolling. But once you load heavy apps or games, you'll feel the slowdown instantly. This tablet is made for simple, everyday stuff, nothing more. The RAM options are 6 GB or 8 GB, and storage starts at 64 GB or 128 GB. But the best part is the micro SD slot. You can throw in a big card and never worry about space. Cameras are basic. You get an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel selfie camera, both shooting 1080p video. They work fine for Zoom calls or scanning papers, but that's about it. Nobody's buying this to take photos. The speakers are actually a nice surprise. They're stereo and louder than you'd expect for the price. No headphone jack though, which always hurts on budget tablets because most people still use wired headphones, especially for kids or travel. You also get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C 2.0. No GPS, no NFC, nothing extra. Battery life is one of the strong points. It packs an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, and because the chip is low power and the screen isn't too demanding, it lasts a long time. You can easily get a full day of mixed use, maybe even more if you mostly watch videos or read. Charging is only 18 watts though, so it's slow. Expect a long wait if you drain it to zero. Now, here's the thing people won't notice until after they buy it. There's no cellular option at all, not even on a higher model. If you need data on the go, you'll need to hotspot from your phone every single time. So who should buy this? If you want a cheap tablet for entertainment, reading, school notes, or basic productivity, the NxtPaper 11 Gen 2 gives you great comfort, good battery life, a clean design, and a screen that won't murder your eyes. But if you need power or LTE, this is not your device. Watch the next video.